Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make Roblox faster and fix lag easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Roblox and choose any server you want, then go to the top here, click on Roblox logo. Where is it? Yeah, let's go and close this window here. Click here, click on settings, scroll down and turn off those options right here, and then make the graphics mode manual and make it lower as possible, and then make the camera sensitivity as low as possible too. Click resume, and then all what you have to do now, I think it's gonna be fixed for you. If it's not, then click here in the top to make the window like this more smaller to have more FPS. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.